Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s plus b. Because we have s, so I will put b go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got like this. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1 and number 1. That's why we can simplify like this. This one we change for u. S we change for u minus b. The s we change for the u. So this one I can put like this. Now we have the formula in here. So u that is about capital 8, b that is about a minus b. So we need to transform this one into this one. So sine u divided by sine u, we got number 1. Cosine u divided by sine u. Now, I will show you how to find this integration. This one we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equal to sine u. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got like this. So this one we change for t. Cosine u du we change for dt. So the integration of this one that is about Fn of the absolute value of t, and I will put about c. About t that is about sine u. So this one that is about this one. So this one that is about the numbers, so you got about u. This one that is about Fn of the absolute value of sine of u. And we have sine a minus b. And I will put about c. About u that is this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.